You can override the schedule on the T6R-HW Smart Thermostat in two different ways. Temporary override / boost, hold until, allows you to change the target temperature for a specific amount of time without changing the existing heating schedule. Permanent override, permanent hold, allows you to change the target temperature without changing the existing heating schedule for an unlimited amount of time. The option must be disabled manually. To set up a hold until override, from the main screen of the thermostat, touch the plus or the minus to adjust the temperature. The until time will appear during the temperature adjustment. Tap on the time, it will flash once selected, and to adjust it to the desired override hour, press the plus or the minus and then tick to confirm. The clock icon indicates that a hold until override is active. The schedule will resume when the hold until time expires. Touch the X button to cancel the hold until and resume the regular schedule. Permanent hold or manual override maintains the target temperature 24/7 or until changed or disabled. Tap on the crossed calendar button to deactivate the schedule and activate a permanent hold, then touch the plus or the minus buttons to adjust the temperature. This way, the thermostat will maintain the set temperature until it's changed or the schedule is resumed. Touch the crossed calendar button to cancel the permanent hold and resume the regular schedule. To override from the Honeywell Home App, select the thermostat from the list and increase the target temperature using the arrows, regardless if a schedule is active or not. After the override temperature is chosen, a hold until button will appear below. Tap on the button and you will have the option to hold until a specific time or permanently. If you select a specific time, you will be prompted to set the hour when the override would expire. If you select permanently, the override will be effective until changed manually by the user. This was everything about setting up a temperature override from the T6 range of smart thermostats and from the Honeywell Home App. For more videos and support articles, please visit getconnected.honeywellhome.com.